Rupee symbol is a Unicode compatible and can be inserted into documents with a couple of keyboard shortcuts. So in this short video tutorial, we will show you how to insert the Rupee symbol into a Word document. Now first, do it by using the insert function by opening a blank Word document, or you can also open the document you wish to edit, then click the Insert tab, click on Symbol, select More Symbols, choose Normal Text on the Font drop-down menu, and choose Currency Symbols in the Subset drop-down menu. Now in here, click the Rupee symbol, and this looks like an R without the vertical line and with two horizontal lines through the top. Once you have clicked on it, click the Insert option. Now another way to add a Rupee symbol is to use an Indian keyboard layout. Do that by opening Settings, search for your keyboard settings, select and set English India as your preferred language, then open a Word document, and then press Ctrl, Alt, and the number 4 all together to insert a Rupee symbol. So those are the ways on how you can add a Rupee symbol in your Microsoft Word document. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.